Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick explanation as to what's going on in your lawn right now, what's actually happening in your lawn right now. People tend to think that weeds come overnight, that they grow overnight, and we don't typically notice them until they're full grown, sticking out like a sore thumb in our lawn in the spring. But what you need to know is, if you take, for example, one of the most common weeds we see is dandelions. Dandelions take anywhere from 8 to 15 weeks to reach maturity. From the time they germinate until the time they're full grown, it's 8 to 15 weeks. That means that weed that you see in April, that dandelion you see in April that's full grown in your lawn, it's been actively growing since February, and the seed has been there since January, December, or even before then. So what I'm trying to say and what you need to know is, right now, every single lawn in North Texas, no matter what kind of lawn you have, it has thousands of seeds waiting to germinate in it from a number of different types of weeds. And when the temperatures get right, when the conditions are right, those seeds are going to start germinating and they're going to grow into weeds. So that's why it's so important to get out the pre-emergent application, because the pre-emergent kills those seeds right now before they have a chance to germinate. And if you wait too long and those seeds germinate, then the pre-emergent is not effective against them, and you're going to have to wait till they start to develop so you can see them, and then you can start treating them with a post-emergent. But by then your lawn already looks like it's full of weeds, because it is. So having said that, just go ahead and make plans to start putting your pre-emergent out right now. We've already started putting ours out. We're going to try to have them all done by the middle of February, and I highly suggest that you do the same. Go ahead and get your product, make a plan, put it on your calendar, put your pre-emergent out, and don't put it off any longer, because the window of opportunity to kill those seeds before they germinate is very small. So hope that helps. If you have any questions or need any help, comment below, shoot us a message. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.